As a follow-up to the issue of the issuance of no objection certificate by the Sardar of Nongtarnem Sardarship, Arwan Phai Wanchnong, to non-Khasi residents of the area, the traditional heads of Himadwara had met the executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council in charge of Ilaka, Jamborwar, to request him to remove the present Sardar of Nongtarnem from his position due to extortion from the public in the form of exorbitant fee collection for issuance of NOC with regards to the PMAYG housing scheme. Briefing newspersons after the meeting, the Mantri of Himadwara, Honesty Sotan, appealed to the NGOs, members of the public and all concerned citizens of the state of Meghalaya to come forward and lend their support to the Hima to oust the current Sardar of Nongtarnem, Arwan Phai Wanchnong, from his position. He also added that it is but fruitless for the public to fight for ILP and CAB while leaders have been clandestinely selling off public land and property to non-tribals in the state.
Kumta nagalang jungi menta kesini lawan ni keduk je iam jong ka ilaka ban kerpat i bat ban bu ke jing ujur persya meu Sardar jungi ba ka KCDC kan semua ban de halor jong ke kam namar kade ke kam im kam yap jongi ki nongsong sinong dan ki kun ki hajar hapo jong ke hima pan nagalang jonga season pat ngasmo ban ong ba ngakerpat nagalang jonga ye ki seng bahalang ki riu simen ni kino ki way pat ki bedon ke mensim jong jing i ya ka ri be ke jaj ban riu bekin sebab ban ya mi lem setmat ban ya kersan lem yangi nak bentak ni ke kam bat kumju ro namar ngi semua tu kan mentoy yu ladangin ya ki ya kita ki ILP la ni ki CAV kat bagi ni nong sencar jong ni pat napo kidang di ya kini ki khendo ki siap jong ni sya kini ki way pat ki jaj ban riu te lada ba ni la ban khanglat ye kini nong sencar jongi ban di lane ban issue kini ki NOC se kini ki way pa ki jai ban ri so tho maki kin om yolat ban wanrung ha ki sinong ki thau ki jongi hapo ki hima ki jongi hanrei ladang ye khi mangi surong lada kat ba ki nong sencar sinong ki jongi pat ki dang ailat napo ni so tho bakam don jum toi ruem